right, team. For the next upcoming flow, I want to meet on a quadruped position with you. So let's take it down with the dumbbells by your side so you can grab them if you need them, if you want them. So let's meet with the wrists under your shoulders, the knees under your hips, and your spine neutral. Finding the neutral spine here in this position can be tough. So let's think about that corset feeling again. So zipping everything in and up, belly button in and up, closing the rib arches. And then you can use your hand, bring it onto your pubic bone, and your hand should be parallel to the floor. All right, we don't want to sag, we don't want to round, keep it neutral. When your powerhouse is awake, grab your weights if you want to with your right hand. Now I will start with 0.5 kilogram. Let's see how this works for me today. Then extend the right arm to the side, shift your weight equally between both legs. Now I'm gonna inhale, lift the arms nice and wide to the side like a reverse butterfly. And then as you exhale, lower down. All right, keep going like this. And make sure the left elbow is actively bent, the index finger is facing forward, and you press out of your shoulder blades. Then listen to your body. If this is already an option to come into your full strength, then go for it. If you need more to challenge your body, then extend the diagonal left leg back. As you exhale, bring the knee back in. With or without the leg, you choose. Yeah, pick your today's focus. Maybe it's more about upper body work for you today. Maybe you want that full body activation. Then let's go for it. We're gonna go for 4 more rounds. Spreading your fingers and press the fingertips firmly into the ground. This will just reduce stress here in your wrist. Good work. Last 2. Stretch the knee, keep the hips parallel and closed. And with the next inhale, keep the arm high. And as you exhale, move the arm forwards, turn out so the thumb is looking up to the sky. Bring it back to the side. Inhale, palm facing down. Exhale, arm forwards next to your ear. Keep the shoulder down. While moving, look down to the ground. About 1 meter in front of you, so you can keep the chest nice, wide and open. Let's add the left leg if you want more. Tap to the left and down with the left big toe and bring it back to center. Inhale. Exhale, tap it down, arm forward. Inhale to the side. So booty active. And especially when you move the leg to the side, the deep core is getting awake. With or without the leg, or maybe with or without the arm. This is, of course, also an option. Let's go for 4 more. Last 3. Don't move the chest. Keep the chest fixed with the help of that corset feeling. Last 1. Coming back to center here, sweep the arm back and up, pinky fingers rising up. Bring the arm to the side again. Arm back and turn in, so the little finger is rising up. And then bring the arm to the side again. Breathe out. Breathe into the side. Maybe you want to add the leg. Then bend the knee, flex the foot. It's like a leg curl. Stretch and point. Oh, it's also a bit of coordination work here. Not that easy to work leg and arm at the same time, and they're doing different things. So we're improving the connection between brain and muscles, making the movements more efficient. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Keep the upper leg steady and calm, just bending and stretching the knee, flexing and pointing the foot. So many things to think about. Let's go 2 more. And with the next round, we keep the leg bent, the arm behind, and we're gonna pulse it up and down. Here in the pulses, make sure to keep your upper body, your torso, steady and calm. So again, you need that powerhouse. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out explosively through pressed lips. 4 more breaths to go. Curl it in a little bit more. The heel wants to reach to the butt cheek. Last 2 breaths. With the next exhale, you stop the movement, you drop the dumbbell and the knee, and let's go for the cat stretch. So you tuck the tailbone under, rounding the back, look to your belly button. And with the inhale, straighten your spine, and if that feels good for you, drop the belly and overextend your spine. Exhale, round. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the heart and the gaze up to the ceiling. Good. Enjoying the softness coming up in your back. You can also do that on your forearms when the wrists are getting tired, but we're gonna go for a series on the belly anyways to give the wrists a little break. Last one. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round, pull the shoulder blades apart. Nice. And then come back to neutral spine position. Make sure the dumbbells are not in the way. Bring the hands 1 hand length further away from you. The rest of the body is following into a kneeling plank position. And from here, with a strong powerhouse and strong arms, we're gonna lay down on the belly. Beautiful. So with or without the dumbbell, you choose. I'm gonna bend the right knee. And if you want more, you bring the dumbbell into the right back of your knee. Build a pillow with your hands to rest the forehead on it. And then here in the new position, take some time to get the powerhouse activation back. So left toes are long, you press the left leg into the ground. Zip the belly in and up, and the pubic bone is softly pressing into the ground. Soften your shoulders. Inhale, prepare. And exhale, try to lift the right thigh off the floor. It doesn't have to be hard, just a little bit. Inhale, drop down. And exhale, lift the thigh off the floor. Good. So imagine there's a little ice cube under your belly and you don't want to touch it. Just imagine. So the belly is always trying to lift away from the floor while the pubic bone wants to press softly into the mat. Let's go for 4 more rounds here. So we have a strong booty focus in this flow. Good job. With the next exhale, try to keep the thigh in the air. Focus on your foot. Inhale, point the right foot. Exhale, flex the foot. Inhale, point, stretching toes and ankle. And exhale, flex. We got nice balanced strength into your calves, but also into your shin muscles. Let's go for 4 more. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. 3 more. Last 2. Think about that ice cube, pressing the left leg into the ground. With the exhale, keep the foot flexed. Now move the right leg to the right side without moving the pelvis. And with the exhale, bring the leg back and try to squeeze the thighs against each other. Inhale, open nice and wide. Exhale, bring it in and try to squeeze. Imagine you're squeezing an orange between your legs. 6 more to come. Yeah, the thighs just floating above the floor, giving your, almost the whole leg a little burn. So we're working for the outer and inner thighs and the back thigh, the hamstrings. So curl the heel towards the butt cheek a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I can feel my booty. With the next exhale, stay in with the leg and we're gonna pulse it out. Up, down, Lots of pulses today to get into those deep muscles. Breathe into the nose, out through pursed lips. Last 2 breaths, come on. Nice finisher here. Breathe deeply. Think about that 3-dimensional breath. And with the exhale, stop it, drop the thigh, get rid of the dumbbell for a moment. Bring the hands under your shoulders, press up onto all fours. Ooh, nice. Feeling good afterwards, hopefully. Let's switch to the other side. So I will just turn around. Okay. Now, with the hands under your shoulders again, we build up a strong starting position here, pressing out of the shoulder blades. Now grab the left dumbbell or dumbbells, stretch the left arm to the side, and at the same time shift your weight equally between both legs. Let's get started. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, left arm down. Inhale, long arm. Think about length. And exhale, down. All right, please don't let your head hang down. Bring your gaze down to the ground about 1 meter in front of you. And then let's add the leg. If you did it on the first side as well, you're gonna stretch the right leg back, think more in length than in height, and bring it back in. Inhale, imagine the foot wants to reach the other side of the room, and exhale, zipping everything in and up. Make sure the right elbow is softly, muscularly bent. And when you have found your option, this can be just moving your arm, this can be just moving your leg, or maybe both. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Inhale as you lift to find more length. Exhale to bring all the energy into your center. Good. With your next inhale, keep the arm or the leg or both high. Exhale, bring the arm forwards, thumb is looking up. Inhale, sweep the arm back to the side. Thumb up, move the arm forwards. And palm down as you sweep the arm to the side. Okay, maybe just move the arm with or without the weight. Maybe add the leg. The right big toe is tapping down to the right side. And inhale, bring it back up to center. The more you move the right foot away from the body's midline, the more challenging it will be for your deep core. So it's a nice variation, moving the leg for your core activation. Let's go for 4 more rounds. You still breathing? Hope so. Don't move your chest, don't move your pelvis. Finish your last round. And keep your arm by your side. We're gonna move the arm back, turn in, pinky finger rising up, and to the side. So exhale, bring the arm back. Inhale to the side. So this will give you a nice activation in your back shoulder muscle and your back deltoid and in your triceps by lifting the arm high and extending the elbow. Maybe you want more, add that curl. Exhale, bring the right heel towards the butt cheek. Inhale, point and stretch. Exhale. Inhale, great. Don't move the upper leg, just bending and stretching the knee. Finding your rhythm, finding your option. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Press the floor away from you with the right hand. Stay strong in your shoulder stabilizer muscles. This is your last one. And then keep the arm behind you, and we're gonna finish with the pulses. Breathe in, pulse, arm or leg or both. Whew. When you realize the right hip is falling, I recommend you to bring the left hand down. Breathe in and breathe out. And then maybe you can try again. Yes, beautiful, so strong. Last 2 breaths. Don't move the lower back. Keep it stable with the powerhouse. And then stop the movement with the exhale. Sink down. Bring the hands one hand length further away from you. The rest of the body is following. Melt down with a strong push-up onto your belly. Build a pillow with your hands to rest the forehead on it. Make sure to grab the same resistance as you did on the first round. So grab the dumbbell maybe. And then drop your head, building up the powerhouse. Right toes are long. Press the back of your right foot into the ground. All right. Zip the belly towards the spine. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift the left thigh off the floor. Inhale, drop down. And exhale, make sure as you lift the thigh that you don't change the pelvic position. Just moving the leg with the help of the booty. Not compensating with the lower back. All right, let's go for 4 more rounds. Shake out your shoulders. Make sure to pull the shoulder blades into the lower back. With the next exhale, take your time. Keep the left thigh in the air. Focus on the left foot. Inhale, point. And exhale, flex, pulling the toes to the shin. Point, inhale. And exhale, flex. Keep moving and try to move in full range of motion. Use all the mobility you got here in your ankle. Half time is over. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Don't rush. You have time. Synchronizing with the breath. And with the next exhale, stay in that flex position and sweep the left leg to the left side. Inhale. And exhale, bring it in and imagine squeezing that orange between your thighs. Open, inhale. And exhale, bring it in. 6 more to come. What about that ice cube? Try not to touch it. Half time is over. 4 more to come. Shoulders soft. Last 2. Keep the legs close towards each other, and then we pulse it out. Ooh, burn is real. Yes, you got this. Come on, up, down, up, down. 2 more breaths here. Press the right foot into the ground. With the next exhale, stop the movement. Drop, inhale, extend. Get rid of the dumbbell. Amazing. Shake it out. Wiggle those hips. Relaxing booty, softening the back. Good job. Thank you so much for working out with me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you too. If you didn't know it yet, we also have some live streams via Zoom. I hope to get to know you there. Let's chat, let's work out together. I can give you real-time feedback there if you want to, so don't miss it. You can find the link over here or continue with one of my free YouTube workouts over here. Hope to see you there.